Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, today we will discuss how to apply quota and procedure for work permits under a company less than 50 employees or more than 50. So stay with me, and if you did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. Viewers, if company have less than 50 employees, we have to log in our Tahsil account if we have. So otherwise we have to go to the Tahsil center to apply the quota. So guys, we will discuss in both ways what documents required if you are going to submit in Tahsil center, or if you have your username and password. So guys, as you know that if you have your username and password, you have to log in by your Emarat ID. This is for the information the people who don't know, and there are a lot of people they knows that they maybe they are working under their company in this scenario. So when you enter login to your Tahsil account, the scenario will be like that. So guys, when you enter in your portal by entering the username and password or your thumb authentication, you will see there is applying new quota. So when you click the applying new quota, there are quota less than and more than 50. You have to click less than 50. It will written over here. So when you click over the less than 50, a new window will come in front of you. So this window will come and you have to enter your establishment card number of Ministry of Labor. When you enter and press the go, the next page will be like that. So guys, the next page will be like that. You will see your company information at the top, and you have to enter your phone number, the email address. The red mark is mandatory. The owner information, person code, you have to enter the person code which is the written on the labor card number. There is around 14 digit number. You have to enter here and click on get. When you click on the get, the owner information will come automatically, the mobile number or everything registered with the Ministry of Labor. Then you click on the add button, and the second one is the PRO information. The same way you have to enter the PRO card number and click on the get. The information will come which is the registered PRO in Ministry of Labor, and you have to click over the add button. So guys, here at the down you will see there are a lot of documents you have to attach. First is the signature card. This is the establishment card of the signatory, Ministry of Labor. There is tenancy contract and location map of your company, electricity bill, and other document you can attach over here. So guys, if you did not attach the documents, you will not see your next button active. To do the active, you have to attach the document, and when you click the next button, the next page will be like that. So the next page will be like company quota request. So guys, here you will see your company information, and here you have to enter your quota. You have to enter the amount of the quota, like 3, 5 or 10. But normally if you are going to apply like 2 or 3 archiver or the follow-up clerk or the engineer or safety officer or like ordinary labor, so you have to click one by one. You have to click over the gender, and you have to select the designation and position from the Ministry of Labor pop-up window where is written job name. And when you click here, then you have to add this one. So when you add this one, it will show you in the down page. I will show you. So guys, when you enter the quantity and job name, it will show you at the down page. As I told you, this is the next one. So if you have more quotas, different quotas, it will show over here the quantity. So guys, the contact information, the contact person should be the PRO. You have to write the name of the PRO over here and the mobile number, and answer the following question. You can answer the question number 3 or 1. The second one is no. At least one question you have to click over here. So if you have the person ran away from your company, you can click over the block. They will replace your quota from these ran over people. And if you have unused work permit in your system, you can click over here also. They have the information for your unused work permits. And third is need more employees. If you have need more employees, you have to click over here. So if you will click over the first question, does the company has new project? If you do the yes, sometime they will asking you that if you have the new project, you have to provide the feasibility report or the contract between the two companies, so that you have to provide. So guys, here you see the buttons is the contract copy and license copy. This contract copy, when you do the yes one, you have to upload here. Otherwise only license copy you have to upload if the button is active. This is the procedure to apply the quota for the less than 50. So when you save this button, then as per the quota fees you have to pay by dirham. It is 200 dirham per employee. This I am talking about the people who have their username and password. For the Tahsil section, they have their different scenario. They were charging the some extra money for the commission and for the submission purpose. So guys, if you have a new company and you do not have profile in Ministry of Labor, so you cannot apply quota online. In that case, you have to go to the Tahsil center. You have to take your all documents, your e-signature card, your signature card of the Ministry of Labor, and your trade license, Ijari, and whatever document over here I mentioned, you have to take in the Tahsil center, and you can apply your quota over there. So the payment is by e-dirham. You can purchase the e-dirham card from Ministry of Labor also. This is the procedure for the Ministry of Labor applying the quota. You should have the all documents with you. So viewers, if you are going to apply more than 50 employees in your company, or 100 or 200, 300 to 500 or 1000 employees, there are slightly different ways. The online application, you have to apply for more than 50. You have to enter your company information, but you cannot attach the document online. The application has to submit by your company PRO in the labor office with more document attached with the covering letter written in Arabic language, and the details is written in the Arabic letter of your company, your labor camp, and everything about your previous quota, your recent quota. So these details is essential to submit the application. So the document required for more than 100, or if you have your industrial company or the trade license company, there are more documents you have to attach. The document I can tell you one by one. This is the PRO establishment card. Number 2 is the establishment report. This report you can print from the labor office. Number 3 is the company license. Number 4 is the rental agreement attested by the RERA, which we can say Ijari. Number 5 is the civil defense certificate for the labor accommodation only. pest control contract plus clinic service contract, floor layout for the accommodation. If your company located far away like in Jabal Ali or DIP or DIC, and the number report any work related injury, illness or death in the last 12 months with authenticated medical report. Number 9, clear map of the labor camp location with land number mention attached with the clear photos of the camp entrance, boards, kitchen, toilet and room samples. You can take the photos, your PRO or your assistants. This is for the information for the people who don't know how to apply the quota, more than 50 or less than 50. So guys, each establishment has the right to apply 2 inspection visit per once transaction. So if there is any issues in your camp and you didn't full the requirement of the Ministry of Labor, you will not get the quota. So this is the main thing you have to keep in your mind. So guys, before you are going to apply the quota, you should know the visa quota or the number of allowed resident visa. Firstly depend on the size of your office space. Like generally visa quota is calculated based on the number of square meters assigned to each person sponsored by the company. So what I mean, the basic requirement for the companies which choose to use physical office space is approximately 9 square meter per person. So kindly note, this is for the mainland company, not for the free zone. The free zone, they have their different systems. So guys, more than less than 50 or more than 50, the online applying procedure is the same. So guys, hopefully this video is informative for you. This is for the people who don't know, they are newcomers in the Tahsil system. So I request you to subscribe and share my channel and like my videos. So guys, if you want to learn the Tahsil system practically, I can teach you. For that purpose, I have a charge. If you want to learn, you can connect me by my WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching.